Welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. For the repeat viewers, we thank you for the support. In today's video, we'll be talking about a multi-purpose dam in Tanzania, the Kikonge Multipurpose Dam, which is a hydropower and irrigation project. In the last 10 years, Tanzania has witnessed significant advancement of the electricity industry with the commissioning of key power generation projects. This project aim at expanding the country's electricity generation capacity, improving access to electricity, and boosting economic development. One of these projects is the Kikonge Multipurpose Dam, the hydropower and irrigation project. Kikonge is a multipurpose project foreseen for hydropower, power production, irrigation, and water supply. The scheme is located on the Ruhuhu River in the southwest of Tanzania, which drains to the Lake Nyasa or Malawi. Kikonge is the name of a tributary of the Ruhuhu near the site of the project. The main component is a 120-meter high multipurpose Rockfill dam. The regulated flow will be used for the hydropower plant for irrigation scheme with a 4,000 hectare irrigated area and for water supply to the local community. The principal objectives of this project is to improve the livelihood of the people in this area and for economic development in Tanzania. In addition to the main infrastructure works, which are the irrigation scheme, the dam and its reservoir, and the associated hydropower plant and the high voltage transmission line, the project also includes water supply to the local communities, local electricity supply, and fishing activities, and also tourism development in the area. The main features of this project include the reservoir, 6 billion cubic meters. There's a dam, a Rockfill with a height of 120 meters, irrigation scheme where 4,000 hectares will be irrigated. We have 3 powerhouses, which with each having a capacity to generate 100 megawatts. There is a high voltage transmission line to evacuate power from this area, and then you have the access roads. Italy's Studio Pietrangeli has been awarded the 1.6 million euros contract to produce a feasibility study and also design for the project. The contract has been a long time coming, with the expression of interest having been published in 2016 November, and the proposals were fully opened by May 2018. The project phases or project development phases include the identification and reconnaissance, which have already been done. We have the pre-feasibility study and social strategic and EIA, which are currently being done. We have the funding mobilization for the further studies, and this is expected to take 15 months together with the pre-feasibility study. We have the final feasibility study, the final design, full environment and social impact assessment. This is expected to take 18 months. Then you have the implementation, which involves construction of the project, and this is expected to take 60 months. When the project is completed, the 300 multipurpose dam will result in a 53% increase in Tanzania's hydropower capacity. Hydropower installed capacity in Tanzania currently stands at 562 megawatts, while the estimates put that potential for the country is 4 gigawatts, and this is according to Africa Development Bank. Other projects that have been initiated in Tanzania, we have the power projects. We have the Julius Nyerere hydropower station, which is 2,115 megawatts hydroelectric power stations, which is along Rufiji River. The dam, which is nearing completion, with the expectation that the wet testing at the dam will be around February 2024. Then we have Kinyerezi 2 natural gas plant, 240 megawatts project, which concerns the expansion of a Kinyerezi 1 power plant by adding power generation units with a capacity of 185 megawatts in addition to existing 150 megawatts unit, and this will result to a total capacity of 335 megawatts. The implementation of this project has been completed and the 4 power generation units are operational, and this contributed 185 megawatts to the national grid. The $184 million project has been 100% financed by the government of Tanzania. We have Rusumo hydropower plant, which injects 80 megawatts. The transboundary project is currently at 99.6% completion. This is a joint venture between the governments of Tanzania, Rwanda, and Burundi, and involves an investment of nearly $468 million. Each of the 3 countries is set to receive a supply of 26.67 megawatts. The hydropower plant will harness the renewable energy potential of Rusumo River. Another power project in the country is the liquefied natural gas. This is a project that aims to process the discovered natural gas in the blocks 1, 2, and 4, which are located in the deep sea level, to make it liquefied for sale in the international market. The project is divided into 2 parts: the upstream to be implemented in Mtwara region, the central stream to be implemented in Kikonge and Lindi regions, and this is estimated to cost $42 billion. We have solar power in Shinyanga, which will inject 150 megawatts. This is a project which is about construction of a solar power generation station in Kishapu area in Shinyanga region, with a capacity to inject 150 megawatts of electricity. So with this and Kikonge Multipurpose Dam, Tanzania will increase its capacity of electricity, and this will fuel socio-economic development in the country. So thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. Watch other videos that we have done on Tanzania power projects and other projects that we have done on various topics. So thank you, and welcome for more videos in future.